Hi children, how are you? You recognize me? Who am I? I am a talking froggy. You want to do this now? Then we'll go step by step. Are you ready? Very good. We'll start then. Take A4 sheet. In which shape it is? In a rectangle, right? Now we need to make this into square by folding like this. Now, see, we fold it like this. We need to cut this extra piece. Fold it back. Then we need to cut this half part properly. Like this. Then we need to cut it. Keep this part aside. We need to use this one also. Now, see, it is like this, right? Now open that. Now fold like half. See now, you got one line, right? We need to turn it back and then we need to get one more line this side and then we need to fold again half. Look at it. You got a plus, right? Now see, take each corner and then fold it to center like this. Triangles. You got it? Very good. Do like this. Fold each one to the center like this. Done? Very good. Now look at this. Turn it back like this. Then same one. Fold it back. Understood, right? Now go to front. See now, here this thing is there, right? You need to fold from this joining to straight like this. Ready? Same thing from this to straight we need to fold. Okay, now go to this. See here. This one we need to take it and then fold to this one, this triangle. Done. Now turn it back. Here you have this, right? Lift like this. See, I am showing once again. You have like this. Take this one like this with both fingers. Then lift like this. Then turn it back. See. You get it? Like this. Done. Now take that excess part which you have. Now this one, first thing, fold it to half. Again we need to fold one more half. Now fold one more half just to make a stick like this. Okay. Now see, take this one. Then see, this one is there, right? To take the mouth, lift that back and then insert this from down to there. To the up to here. After that, just again fold this down. See now, it's moving. See the mouth, isn't it? Now take the sketch pad and then top of this one draw the eyes. Okay, see now. If you move this one, hold this, and then your talking froggy is right. Ready? Did you like it? Hope you like it, and then do this one. Thank you.